So this is a story about a hedge trimmer. My father-in-law has given me this mighty beast. You know, one of those old hedge trimmers from like 1960 something that draw like 50 amps. You pull the trigger and it's got like a 50 farad capacitor in it to get it going. But it'll saw through a 90-foot pine. Well, I have used that for years. And every extension cord I own goes poof. But on a bright note, it works really good. So the other day, I had a small miscalculation. So our dear Uncle Bob, he passed away, and I ended up inheriting this mighty extension cord, to which I cut through. Yeah, that was a fun experience. Lots of sparks, flying things. It was great. So, to further this story, I no longer have a way to cut the shrub and all the way in the back, because this was the last of the long extension cords that could handle the mighty beast from 1960 something my father-in-law gave me. So we have an option B. Well, my Uncle Tommy, he decided to give me this because he put straight gas in it, and he actually got it so hot that it melted the copper gasket and blew it out the exhaust. And plated the exhaust, which is very impressive. So I put it on the STIHL website for Pure Carnage rebuilds, and everyone thought it was hilarious. Second thing, you did not know that little thing right there? It's where you put the grease in. So, and voila, we're going to have a working saw. But before you get to see that, let me show you what the piston looked like.